Yeah, today just wanted to start out with chapter 12, section 1, and it's 3D figures. Basic, start out with a couple of vocabulary words. Polyhedron, you can see it's just a figure with solid flat surfaces. And, we have plenty of those to go through. I just made an example of that. That would be a rectangular prism, but anyway, more definitions that would describe the polyhedron is you have faces, edges, and vertices. Face is just describing each flat side of that polyhedron. You can see there's going to be 6 faces on this. Edges is just the line segment where the two faces meet. My example on those would be line segment AB. And then a vertex, just a point where the edges meet. And I listed 3 of those. I mean, you can see that there's going to be 8 of them in this rectangular prism. And anyway, 2 types of polyhedrons that we are going to be concerned with are prisms and pyramids. Prism, I'm just reading it off here, 2 congruent parallel bases. And like this shape that I had drawn up here, that's obviously a prism. And the set of bases, you could actually have the top and bottom, the front and back, and the left and right side. They just need to be congruent, and they need to be parallel with each other. Pyramid then is going to just have one base on it. And you're pretty familiar with a pyramid. They are both identified by the shape of their base. This is a square pyramid, and my prism up here, you can see the bases on those are triangular, so you would just call that a triangular prism. All right, so for our homework, or assignment anyway, is just going to be a worksheet, which I have put an attachment on with this. And you're going to be basically labeling the bases, faces, edges, vertices, and so on. And I just gave an example of one that you would see on your homework assignment. But anyway, your faces, you can see with this triangular prism anyway, that there's 5 faces on it. You have the front and the back. The front is ABC. The back is EDF. All right. Those are your 2 bases on it. Those are also your faces. And then you also have the 3 sides. The bottom, just labeled it, CEBF. The left side, ADCE, and the right side, ADBF. And then the edges are just all your lines. You can see there's going to be 3 on the front, 3 on the back, and then 3 around sides of that. So you're going to have 9 edges. And then vertices are where each of the edges meet. And you can see there's going to be 6 vertices, and just label all those in the same manner that I have here. Assignments, worksheets, 662 and 663. It's going to be the same type of problems where you just label the faces, edges, bases, vertices, and so on. Thank you. Call me if you have any questions.
Call you? They got your number?
Yeah.
Do they actually?
Some of them do, yeah. I'll give it to them. It's fine to call. I don't care about that.
Jeez. You should do a cute wave or something. Oh goodness.